Hi students, today we are going to see an interesting topic from science which is Unit 16 Microorganism. At the end of this video you will know what microorganism is and its types, and you will learn about viruses and its types and the size of a microorganisms. What is microorganism? Microorganisms are very minute organisms which cannot be seen through our direct eye. And how can we see it? We can see it through with the help of a microscope, and hence they are called as microbes. Studying about microorganism is termed as microbiology. Microorganisms are found everywhere. They are found in our body, ponds, lakes, and in oceans. They are active in a favorable condition and they are inactive under a unfavorable condition. Microorganisms are classified into five types: virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. These are the five basic types of microorganism. Now we are going to see about the first type of microorganism, which is virus. Viruses are very tiny particle which has genetic material and protein as its DNA. In Latin, virus means poison. Viruses are 10,000 times smaller than bacteria. Viruses are intracellular parasite. Parasite means an organism which depends upon other organism for food and shelter. Intracellular means inside the cell. Hence, virus is intracellular parasite, which means it is present inside the cell for food and shelter. The study about virus is called virology. Viruses has different shapes, that is spherical, rod and helical shape. The shapes of virus which we discussed is shown here: spherical shape, helical shape and a complex shape. Now we will see about the structure of a virus. Virus contains a core DNA or a RNA which is surrounded by a protein coat for the protection of a DNA or RNA. A protein coat is an envelope which is made up of proteins, lipids and carbohydrate. The envelope has thorn-like structure which is called as spikes. These spikes helps in the attachment to the host cell. The characteristics of virus is divided into two types. One is a living character and the other is a non-living character. The living character of virus is that they respond to heat, chemical and radiation. They reproduce only when they are present inside the host cell. The non-living character of a virus are they are inactive when they are outside the host cell in a free environment. They can be crystallized and stored for a long time like non-living things. This is the shape of a 3D model virus, and the name of this virus is a bacteriophage and the shape of it is complex. This is another shape of a virus which is a spherical, and the name of this virus is a influenza virus. You can see the thorn-like structure that is called spikes, which helps in attachment to the host cell. This is a microscopic view of a virus, and to the right side is a 3D model of the virus, which is a helical or spiral. The name of this virus is a tobacco mosaic virus. In this video, we have seen about microorganism, types of microorganism which are virus, bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. We have learned about the virus, structure of virus, shapes of virus and characteristics of a virus. There are three types of shape in the virus. One is complex, second is spherical or round shape, and third is a helical shape.